Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion on MacBook, fast access step by step clearly. To log into Notion on your MacBook, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.notion.so and press enter. This will take you to the Notion homepage. Look for the login button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type your email address associated with your Notion account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email inbox for a login link from Notion. Open the email and click on the login link provided. This will redirect you back to the Notion app on your browser. If you have previously logged in on this device, you might be directly taken to your dashboard. If prompted, enter your password to complete the login process. Once logged in, you will be able to access all your Notion pages. To enhance your experience, consider downloading the Notion app from the Mac App Store. After installing the app, launch it and log in using the same method. Now you can enjoy faster access to Notion on your MacBook. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.